One of the biggest challenges for CROs is ensuring consistent execution across the sales organization, especially as new sales plays are introduced. At OpenAI, we've deployed a personal sales assistant to help every seller act like a top seller. Here, the seller asks the sales assistant to plan my day. Because it can draw on Slack, Google Calendar, Salesforce, and other business contexts, it identifies the seller's highest priority actions. This is more than an agenda. The assistant recognizes that a Catalyst workshop is scheduled for tomorrow, a new sales play designed to build customer interest and generate pipeline. The assistant has automatically created a command center site containing the opportunity context, stakeholder mapping, and workshop objectives. A Catalyst workshop is a new sales play and requires significant effort to conduct it. Most sellers don't have a dedicated team of designers and creatives available on demand. That is where the sales assistant extends the seller's capacity. The assistant has generated the assets, including a PowerPoint that provides the structure and content needed to lead the workshop, with customer-specific mobile mockups. And the same assets are reflected in the updated Command Center site. This includes a narrated video that adds animation and a compelling preview the seller can share with the customer to build interest before the workshop. Finally, the seller packages the materials and posts them to the customer Slack channel so the entire account team is prepared for tomorrow's meeting. As sales leaders introduce new sales plays, the personalized sales assistant helps embed execution into the operating rhythm of the business. That gives every seller the guidance and context to perform like a top seller.